Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've got some Steam wallet balance sitting around, and you're wondering how to move it to another account. Unfortunately, Steam doesn't allow direct wallet transfers between accounts, but there are some legitimate workarounds you can use. Step 1. Understand that Steam wallet funds are account locked, meaning you can't directly send money to another user. However, you can purchase games or items and then trade them. The key is knowing which games support trading and marketplace features. Step 2. Start by checking your current Steam wallet balance. Go to your account settings, find the wallet section, and note exactly how much you have available. This helps you plan what you want to purchase and trade. Step 3. Look for tradable games and items. Some games like Counter-Strike 2 and Team Fortress 2 have marketplace systems where you can buy skins and items, then trade them to friends. Research which titles support this feature before spending your balance. Step 4. Purchase tradable items using your wallet funds. Buy cosmetics, weapon skins, or other marketplace items from games that support trading. Make sure whatever you buy has active trading communities and good resale value. Step 5. Complete the trade to the other account. Add the recipient as a friend on Steam, initiate a trade offer, and send them the items you purchased. They can then sell those items on the marketplace and transfer the funds to their own wallet or use it to buy games.